curious tone. Am I the only one who didn't know you could make bricks out of moon dust? Well, let's dive in. Chinese researchers are taking giant leaps for humankind by creating lunar bricks, using materials that mimic the composition of lunar soil. Led by Professor Ding Lei-yun from Huazhong University of Science and Technology, this groundbreaking project uses 3D printing robots and advanced manufacturing techniques. These lunar bricks are not just any bricks, they're 3 times stronger than conventional concrete. The secret ingredient? Lunar soil, making the process both innovative and sustainable. The big test is set for November aboard China's Tiangong space station. Here, the bricks will face extreme conditions like cosmic radiation and moonquakes, simulating the harsh lunar environment. After these rigorous tests, the first brick will return to Earth for further analysis. This innovation could pave the way for future lunar construction, making moon bases a reality sooner than we think. Stay tuned for more exciting space news.